What's the meaning of cat? Kate. Kate.
Cat. Cat. Cat is a common noun used to refer to a small carnivorous mammal with soft fur, retractable claws, and keen senses. They are known for their independent nature and are often kept as pets. The term cat may also refer to a larger family of animals known as felids, which includes lions, tigers, and leopards. In popular culture, cats have been associated with a range of symbolic meanings, such as mystery, grace, and independence. Overall, cat refers to a beloved and widely recognized animal species that has captured the hearts of many people around the world.